Faro, how to play. The object of this gambling game is to win the most bets. The dealer shuffles a standard 52-card deck of playing cards and places it face down in front of them. The dealer takes 13 cards of the same suit from a second deck and lays them out in front of themselves like so. This is called the tableau. Each player brings their own betting chips and a penny. The dealer begins the game by discarding the top card of the deck face up to the side of the gameplay area. Players then place bets on one of the face-up cards in the tableau based on which card they think is going to flip. Next, the dealer flips over 2 cards from the deck. The first card flipped is the loser, and the second card flipped is the winner. Bets on the matching rank of the losing card are lost and collected by the dealer. Bets on the matching rank of the winning card receive a 1-to-1 payout from the dealer, meaning the dealer gives you exactly what you bet. The flipped cards are placed to the side face up and another round begins. Players can move their bets around, keep them where they are, or begin placing bets on multiple cards. Multiple players can bet on the same card. Players can also bet on the losing card by placing a penny on top of their chip. If the losing and winning cards are of the same rank, then the dealer receives half of the bets from the matching rank. Gameplay continues until the deck gets down to its last 3 cards. During the final flip, you have an additional option to bet the exact card order of the last 3 cards. To make this bet, place your chips by the dealer's deck and declare the order. If a player places a bet on a card that has already been drawn 4 times from the deck, the first person, player or dealer, who notices can say dead bet, and they receive those chips. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.